guys, and welcome back. So we are planning in my Erin Condren 7x9 social media planner. I did the first week by myself because I wanted to see how I liked it, and I absolutely love drawing it out with a little bit of deco. So that's what we're going to do this week as well. So we are going to start by drawing. Do I want to do it? Yeah, I'll do it this way. Drawing out the week here. Don't need. Okay, so I'm not really even measuring this out. I'm just doing it. If you want 7 days, make sure you do every 4th line to make 7 days. That's the only thing. I think we're gonna do, we're gonna do it like, so. Here. Try something out. Okay. The pen I am using is erasable, so I do like that. There we go. That makes it a little easier. This one is just being nasty. This eraser doesn't work as well. I have more of these pens. These pens are the, I think, they're the friction pens. I know that. But other than that, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I'll show you what we're going to be using. 4. I'm going to be using some stickers from Kell and from Live Posh this month, but I have an order into Planner Kate, and I got the notification that it has shipped, so I should be getting that in a couple of days. So we're gonna have a sticker haul coming up in October or early November, because I'm also waiting on an order from Sugar Pop Fizz. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And I can't count. So here we go. All right. Now that that is done, I'm going to pull out the Rainbow Basics from Kell Plan. And I'm going to be using the dates, or the weekdays here, and the date dots that she has in the back. Carmen, you might hear my daughter and my dog. The dog is mad because my husband's outside mowing the grass, and she wants to be with him. So, and the kid is in here eating her lunch and watching TV. So ultimately, I'm just using up what I have in my stash. Will I keep buying from Planner Kate with everything that she has that I want? Yes. Will I use it every month? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet. but for October I just did not have everything that I needed from Planner Kate for the month, so I'm doing it this way. And I need few darts. Okay. Starts on the 7th. Let's see here. We are gonna do, you know what, I'm gonna stick with orange. I think. Yeah. I'm gonna stick with orange. And I'm gonna put it down here in the corner. So how have y'all been? How has been your week? Sorry I've been absent, but my husband came home from a work trip after a month of being away, and we've just been hanging out and soaking in some family time that he missed out on. It has been good. We were out pretty much all day yesterday. We went out to lunch as a family, and then he took me to the bookstore, so I got to go to Books A Million. He bought me some books, which I'm really happy about, because I have been on a manga kick lately, and he bought me some manga, and a manga that I've been really interested in starting. So there's that. Okay, come on. There we go. So, I'm not quite done with that book, but we'll come back to it. The next sticker book I'm going to be using is from Live Love Posh. This is the Crafty Planner. And I was going to use the same stickers. Do I want to still do that? Yeah, we're going to do this set right here. So let's go ahead and add what I need to add first. So first I need to add this, the word film, because I'm going to be writing all my ideas down here and things I need to film. I do want to put down a couple of boxes that I know are going for videos that I know are going to go live. So we're going to do, I'm using these boxes from Kell Rainbow Basics. So I know I'm going to do a video there, here, and I know there will be a video up on Wednesday. So those three we're good. But I want to stay on top of two things every day. So we're gonna try to film 2 videos every day, because that sounds like a good idea to me. And we're gonna start here. Okay. We're gonna do pink on Monday. Yeah, perfect. So I have these bullet points. Of course, if I can end up putting more videos out, so I'm gonna just keep that in mind, because that's kind of how it's going to go. Put out videos as I film them, type of thing. So that's what we're gonna do. So these are gonna be for every video filmed, or needs to be filmed rather, for the week. excited because I have an ideas list for things that like I'm looking ahead to that need to be filmed as well, because those always need to get done as, you know, done too. Oops. Oh, there we go. And if I can, I would like to get stuff scheduled, filmed and scheduled a couple weeks in advance. So I'm really working hard to do that. Definitely going to be working on that this weekend. And I try not to do anything on the weekends for social media, but that's okay. This is going to bother me. This right here is going to bother me. Okay. So now that that is done, we're going to fill in a couple things. So I'm trying to do Medusa square a day. And then I do need to finish, so I had an unboxing of a custom diamond painting. I just need to finish filming it, so I have most of it done. There's just a couple things I need to do. So DP Custom. Unboxing. I need to do a Medusa square Medusa. I will write in other things as I think, well, yeah. So I need to do catch-all, plan with me, and I need to do social media, plan with me, and I need to do Medusa. So I know the custom will go here. Social media. Plan with me. And let's see, catch-all, plan with me. And then as if I need other things, like if I post, when I post the Medusa squares, I'll just highlight them because I'm not pressuring myself to get them up every day like I want. I just want to get them up when I can. And then all I'm going to be doing here, Carmen, is just adding some of the deco. And that's really pretty much it. Tuesday, I don't think I have anything else going up besides a Medusa square. So I'm going to put this cute little planner right here. And then I'm just going to do this guy here, and I need to grab a pair of scissors. So I don't have any near me right this second, so I might do that off camera. And then put the girl here. Cool. And I want a black and white quote. I'm not going to probably do much here besides another Medusa square on the weekend. And then the nice thing about this is she has nice quotes in the back. And we're going to do Craftologist. Oops. Here. And then I'm gonna add one more thing here. We're gonna put focus on be good. So I have a ton of stickers left. I have 2 pages of each sticker. I'm just trying to go through them. I have used some of them. I haven't used a whole bunch. And then in the back, I have 2 pages of these quotes. So I do want to add these. So I might be adding quotes as we go along and use different things, but right now this is how it is and I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is my social media plan with me. This is just some of the things that I have going on, and I can't wait to bring you more content and new content. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.